Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue dipping sauce. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also, have 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of cayenne, and salt and pepper ready. Now combine all your measured ingredients in a medium saucepan. Stir everything together thoroughly until it's well blended. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let the sauce simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. After simmering, it's time to taste and adjust. Give your sauce a try and add more brown sugar if you prefer it sweeter, or a splash more vinegar for extra tang. If it's too thick, a tablespoon of water or broth will thin it out. For a thicker consistency, just let it simmer a few more minutes on low heat until it reaches your desired texture. Once your barbecue sauce is perfect, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This step is crucial for both safety and flavor. After it's cool, transfer the sauce into a clean, airtight container. You can then refrigerate your delicious homemade dipping sauce for up to 2 weeks. The flavors often deepen and improve after a day or two, making it even better.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.